Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss JK flip-flop. Okay, I am already discussed the SR flip-flop. Okay, actually due to the undefined state in SR flip-flop, we need another flip-flop in electronics. The JK flip-flop is an improvement on SR flip-flop. So today I will discuss on JK flip-flop. Okay, so go for it. The name JK flip-flop is termed from the inventor Jack Kilby from Texas Instruments. Okay, here I am using NAND gates, so they are the NAND gates for demonstrating the JK flip-flop. The clock has to be high, means here clock should be 1. Okay, for the inputs to get active. J and K means this J and K are the inputs states for the JK flip-flop, and this Q and Q complement represents the output states of the flip-flop. Okay, when S and R, the both inputs are 1, we cannot determine the next state. This non-determinate condition can be resolved with JK flip-flop, means using this flip-flop we can resolve that problem. We make dual coupling, so this is a one coupling and this another coupling is there, okay, in between inputs and outputs. Okay, now this is the truth table for JK flip-flop. Okay, so the clock pulse should be 1, means when it will 1 then the inputs are active. So the combination for JK is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, when 0 0, the next state should be Q, means whatever the present state, the next state should be the same. If the present state is 0, so next state also 0. If the present state is 1, then the next state also 1. So that's why this is a no change state. Okay, and when 0 1 means J is 0 and K is 1, then we got the next state as 0. That means whatever the present state, 0 or 1, we get always the next state as 0. So that's why it is a reset state. And Q complement always 1, means if Q is 0, so Q complement should be 1. Okay, and when J is 1 and K is 0, then we got the next state as 1, means whatever the present state of Q, 0 or 1, we always get the next state as 1 and Q complement always 0. So this is the state is known as set state. So in JK flip-flop, what happened when 1 and 1, we got Q complement, means if the present state is 0, so we got next state as 1. If present state is 1, we got next state as 0. That's why Q complement. And this is the state is known as toggle, means inversion of present state. Okay, now this is the characteristics table for JK flip-flop. Okay, and this characteristics table can derive from this truth table. Okay, so the first case is that when J value is 0 and K value is 0, the present state either 0 or 1. So in that case what happened, we got 0 or 1 same way, means when present state is 0, we got next state is also 0. If present state is 1, so next state is also 1. Why? Because in truth table we already know when 0 and 0, the J and K value respectively, we got Q, means whatever the present value, the next value should be the same. Now the second case, when J is 0 and K is 1, for possible present state either 0 or 1. If it is 0, so next state also 0. If it is 1, the next state also 0, means it doesn't matter whatever the present state 0 or 1, the next state should be 0. So that's why in truth table when 0 and 1, we got Q as 0. Okay, and now the next combination 1 0, when J is 1 and K is 0, the present state either 0 or 1, and both case we got 1 as next state. So that's why for the truth table is there 1 and 0, J is 1 and K is 0, so Q will be 1. And now the last state, in the last combination when J and K both are 1, we got for present state is 0 or 1, we got in next state just reverse, means this is the toggle condition, means when present state is 0, next state will be 1, and when present state is 1, the next state will be 0. Okay. Now this is the excitation table for JK flip-flop and which got from this characteristic table. Okay. So what happened? There is a present state and next state is there, and what are the combination, either 0 0 0 1 and 1 0 and 1 1, and according to that what will be the value for J and K, and which are the inputs for JK flip-flop. Okay. Now when present state is 0 and next state is 0, just find out here, present state is 0 and next state is 0, so what is the value of J and K? 0 0. Okay. And this will be there also there, when 0 0 is there also 0 and 1, means when 0 0 is there, present state is 0 and next state is 0, J is 0, K is 0, but here J is 0 but K is 1, so J value is same, so that's why J is 0, but K value is changed from 0 to 1, that's why it's a don't care. Okay. Now the second combination, 0 and 1, so present state is 0 and next state is 1, so what the value of J is 1 and K is 0. Okay. And another, J is 1 and K is 1, means here 1 to 1 means the J value will be same, but for K change 0 to 1, so that's why J is 1 but K is don't care. Okay. Now the third combination, when present state is 1 and next state is 0, so this is the combination 1 and 0, so what the J value is 0 and K value is 1. Okay. And this will also, in that particular row, present state is 1 and next state is 0, so that is 1 1, that means J value is changed from 0 to 1. Okay, but K value is 1 to 1, so that's why J will be don't care but K will be 1. Okay. And the last combination 1 1, so there is a 1 1 is there, so in that case J is 0, K is 0, and this is also 1 1 where J is 1 and K is 0, means J changes value from 0 to 1, that's why it's a don't care, and the K will be the same from 0 to 0, that's why the value is 0. Okay. I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Argent. Thank you and bye bye.